Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create Instagram page for business. If you're using Instagram and you want to create a new Instagram page for business, let's see how can you do that. Very first, you have to try to create a new account. So you have to simply open your Instagram app and here just select create new account option. If you're already logged in, you just have to try to log out from your account. So once you have logged out, just select this create new account option to create a new ones. Here you can use your phone number or you can also sign up with email address. So I'm going to use my email address here. You can also use your business email address here. So once you've entered your email address, just tap on the next option here. And here you have to enter the confirmation code sent to your email address. So you have to simply go back and open your mail app and wait for the code. And here once you receive the code, you just have to copy your code, or you can also remember this and enter it to your Instagram app. Once I've entered, just wait for the loading here and you have to try to create a new password for your new Instagram account. So once I've entered or created a new password, just tap on the next option here and then you have to enter your date of birth. So let's say I'm going to select a random date of birth from here. So once I've entered your date of birth, just tap on the next option here and then you have to try to enter your business name. So let's say I'm going to enter this one. Just tap on next. Then you have to try to create a username. So I'm going to select this one. Just tap on next option and then tap on I agree to terms and conditions. So here just wait for this loading and just wait for until your account's complete. And once your account has been completed, you just have to try to add a new profile picture. Or I'm going to skip this one from here. Now on this page, you can allow Instagram to access your contacts. So I'm going to select skip again. And here you have to try to follow 5 people. So I'm going to select next. Then tap and skip this one. Then skip this again. Now once you're on your profile page, you just have to tap on your profile option in the bottom right. So here's your new business profile. Now I'm going to turn it into a business page, not a personal profile. Just tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right and then scroll down and look for the account type and tools option. And here select switch to professional account. Select next and you just have to select your category, or let's say I'm going to select digital creator from here. You can also try to enable the toggle to display it on your profile. Just tap on switch to professional account. Just wait for this loading. So now from here you have to select your professional. Let's say it might be a creator or business. I'm going to select business from here. Now tap on next again. And here you just have to tap on next again. If you want to get email, promotional emails, you can enable this toggle. Otherwise you can disable it. Just select next from here. And here you just have to enter your contact info, your email address, your business address, and also try to enter your phone number. But now I'm gonna select this. Don't use my contact info option from here. Or you can also try to connect your Instagram account to your Facebook account. But I'm trying to gonna skip this from here. So here our business account is now ready. You'll get a professional dashboard after creating a business account. So in this way, you can easily create a new Instagram page for business. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.